Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today's adventure brings us to a beautiful cave in West Virginia. This cave was used extensively during the American Civil War in order to mine saltpeter, which was used to manufacture gunpowder. This cave had some really notable features, including gypsum flowers, an old mining winch used to raise saltpeter from the lower levels up, old mining bridges the miners used to traverse over the different canyons present in the cave, and there was even a trough that was used to collect dripping water to provide fresh drinking water for the miners. I would love to go back to this cave. It was an absolute blast. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe for more cool cave adventures. And also check out my buddy Ashby's YouTube channel, Outdoor Adventures with Ashby. Link is down below in the description. Anyway, you came here to see a cool caving video? Grab your headlamps, let's get underground.
Tina, Ember.
Whoa.
Yeah, Ember.
Check this out.
What's wrong?
That is really cool.
Come on, Robert. I knew it looked familiar, but I was like, it wasn't over here.
You guys be careful crossing.
Ooh.
Come on, Tina.
Yours is going down.
When the apocalypse ends. Oh, God.
Here's the bridge.
What cave should we go into for the apocalypse?
Come on, pup.
Carol's crack.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back over here.
At least no one would come in.
Zena.
I felt kind of sturdy.
Back over here.
Wait, me
Well, she was trying, but you know, Mark was being slow.
Sorry.
Come on,
Come on.
Zena. Good girl.
Come on.
Good girl.
Well, I suppose we'll give it a shot.
Well, you have your dog. At least it looks
Feels sturdy.
solid. What?
Oh, my God. Crap.
Kind of.
But you know what? If we come down
All right,
here,
puppies.
we can dance.
Oh, dude.
Woo!
Bro, please.
All right.
It is sturdy.
It looked like it was off. It's gonna be off now.
Hey, puppies.
So when you're coming in, it's to the left, right? Ashby, see him here?
He's coming. That kind of reminds me of the a little bit of the dragon's head and whiting's neck. That's where we come up from. Ooh. Got a load of that. Bonjour. I just followed that little passageway to the left. I was being curious.
Nice.
It's a cool view up here. Is everyone already down?
Yeah, the three of them are down there.
Oh, I should have brought my pack. I probably could have just come down this way instead of. Oh well. So there's the windlass pit back behind me. I found some more passageway over here. We just crawled in that shelf where we can overlook where everyone tied off to go in the windlass pit. Let's see where this passage goes. Keep seeing this red paint all over. Got a load of that. The amount of gypsum and formation in this cave is amazing. Elysia pointed out earlier, these little formations look like the people that let their fingernails grow forever to try and break records. It's pretty accurate. Oh! This is where, I think this is the main bridge we were on earlier. It's just the bottom, yep. This is the bridge we crossed earlier. It's going way too slow at first. Holding everyone up, but it actually is sturdy. We all went across it, and Chris even bounced around on it. This is way cool. I see there's a passageway going down here. Let's check it out. Got two choices there. What's down below here? Okay, there's a lot down here. I'm gonna wait until my friends can catch up. Not a good idea to do all this alone.
My boots. Just
Certainly is very dusty. Hey, puppies. Oh, wow. There's a lot in here. '59. March 30th, 1968.
I'm about to add
33.
my signature.
Donna and Dale. Wow. This is cool. Anything good on this side?
A little bit of a weird. There it is. Tom. That son of a bitch.
Our Tom?
Tom Brown.
1899? Wow.
2018? Holy crap.
I remember that day. Those days.
Oh. Oh, those were the days.
This is a cool room.